Hawaiian 2 Heavy, fly heading 070.
070 for Hawaiian 2 Heavy.
Who else was calling? Sure, 590 Port SoCal departure radar, contact, climb via the SID, except maintain 13,000. Climb via the SID, except maintain 13,000. Delta 1179, Lindbergh Tower 118.3.
What tower I did? 79. Lindbergh Tower, Delta 1179. Budweiser. Runway 27.
Delta 1179, Lindbergh Tower, good evening, 133, Strat 6, runway 27, clear to land.
Clear to land, Delta 1179.
2000.
Lindbergh Tower, Southwest 3588. Southwest 3588, go ahead. And Southwest 3588, Lindbergh Tower, Southwest 3588. We have Echo. I noticed at the end that there is a flow into Vegas. What's that looking like? Stand by, that might have been a hold. Give me a second. And sorry, there is no flow in the Vegas tonight, so you're good with the flow. Awesome, thanks. I just wanted to double check before we called for push.
500.
Yeah, sorry about that. That was from an event a couple weeks ago.
400.
All good. I totally understand.
$300. 200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. 10. 5.
Continuing tower, this is Delta 2572, RNAV Zulu, 71.
Delta 2572, Lindbergh Tower, good evening, 1330 at 6, runway 27, cleared to land.
Clear land 27, 25 seconds.
Delta 1179, welcome to Lindbergh, left to enable taxi to Gate via Bravo 2.
That one able gave me a problem.
2572 Wallenberg, left 1 able, taxi to Gate Via Bravo 2.
Taxi to Great View, Bravo, left enable.